In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram or Facebook. If you've been wanting to manage the AI features on these platforms, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to do this on Facebook. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're there, you'll notice in the top right corner of your screen, there's a little circle with your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the options and settings you might need to customize your Facebook experience. Once you've clicked your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook stores all the options for tweaking your account to your liking. When you click Settings and Privacy, you'll see another menu pop up. Here, you want to select Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various settings options. Now on this settings page, you will see a list of different categories on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the one labeled Posts and click on it. This section is where you can manage everything related to your posts, including who can see them, and importantly, the AI features that Facebook uses. Once you've clicked Posts, you'll see various options related to your Facebook posts. What we're interested in here is the option that allows you to turn off AI features, specifically comment summaries. Scroll down until you find the setting that says Allow comment summaries on your posts. Currently, if this feature is on, Facebook's AI can summarize comments on your posts, which might not be something you want. To turn this feature off, simply click the toggle next to Allow comment summaries on your posts so that it switches to the off position. And there you have it. By turning off this feature, you ensure that Facebook's AI won't summarize comments on your posts, giving you more control over how your content is displayed and interacted with on the platform. And that wraps up our guide on how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. By following these steps, you can manage your account settings to suit your preferences better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.